St. Augustine's Culture Center started her life as the St. Augustine's Catholic Church. She was built in 1866. The miners volunteered their time and their labor. The land was donated in the summer, and the doors opened that following Christmas. She is a snapshot in time of the lifestyle of the people that were in Austin, that built Austin. It reflects their pride, their interest and their investment in their community, their religious views and how much they valued life. The murals are not original to the building. They were done in the 1930s by the Jolly Brothers out of Reno. The murals are one of the things that we are most proud of in our Culture Center because they were done with such great care and they're so beautifully done artistically. In the restoration, they were meticulously saved. As the brick walls fell apart, the plaster that these murals were painted on began to crumble. And specialists came in and were able to inject a special glue on the back of the plaster and was able to roll them back onto the bricks as the bricks were pulled back into place. We are able to capitalize on the magnificent acoustics in the building with performances that we hold here. St. Augustine's Culture Center is not frozen in time, and we take great pride in that because we love that she is a living history book. And right now we are just a part of her history. She's been here for over 150 years, and we hope she's here for another 150 years. And we just want to be stewards of that living history.
To learn more about Nevada's history, visit travelnevada.com and the State Historic Preservation Office at shpo.nv.gov.